Isang tensyonadong insidente ang naganap sa Senado matapos umugong ang ulat tungkol sa umano'y putukan at security lockdown kaugnay ng issue ng International Criminal Court o ICC. Nagkaroon ng mataas na security alert sa Senado matapos ang ulat ng umano'y putukan sa loob nitong Miyerkules ng gabi. Ayon sa mga paunang impormasyon, pansamantalang na nililimitahan ang pagpasok at paglabas ng mga tao habang binibiripika ng mga otoridad ang sitwasyon. Inuugnay ang insidente sa usaping posibleng pag-aresto kay Senador Bato de la Rosa kaugnay ng investigasyon ng ICC sa war on drugs ng nakaraang administrasyon.
They had firearms with them, but the OSA fired a warning shot. They retreated at the back and then started firing indiscriminately.
Cellphone, pababa na konti.
We do not have a definite count of how many people tried to enter the building. Number two, there are no casualties. None. No one was hit, no one was wounded, no one was killed. Number three, we are in the process of determining who is behind this. We've instructed the GSIS and the Senate building and the Senate staff to secure all CCTVs. Our mission here, the President sent me here, number one, to secure the senators. There is no politics at this time. In these times of turmoil, politics goes out the window. We all belong to one country and we all believe in one nation. The President has given strict instructions. Secure the senators wherever they may be. Next, we are not here to arrest Senator De La Rosa. In fact, we are here to protect him. Let that be clear. We made that very clear to his cabinet. I repeat, we do not know who is behind this, but we will find out. We have all the security footages, and I'm here with the Senate President to assure him that we are only doing this to secure them.
What's the motive?
First and foremost, we thank God that everyone is safe. We'd like to thank the President, Secretary Remulla, who personally came here, as you know, last Monday, we went to PNP just to make sure na yung investigation natin with NBI, that there will be no untoward incidents. So around 6:45, 7 o'clock, some senators got warnings na umuwi na. Nagtataka kami what that meant. So sabi ko, please don't believe that because the last thing anyone wants is yung gulo. At around that time, we got information, about an hour before that, we got information para tingnan ito yung articles of impeachment. So we decided to extend our focus and to witness how we can prove by that this change in leadership is not about politics, it's not about impeachment. So at around that time na sinabi ni Secretary,
Cellphone, pababa na cellphone.
we heard voices,
Cellphone, pababa, cellphone.
fireworks. I even went to the window, pinagalitan na ako ng sister ko dahil
Pabuka lang ng konti, pabuka.
but after 2 minutes,
Pabuka lang ng konti,
naman, then
cellphone.
we smelled And then I was already watching TV, hindi ko na wala ko cellphone mo na usaan na sir, confirm na may shooter. Hanggang doon lang. By that time, tumawag na sa ito that calm everyone down at on the way, makasapot kami. So we agreed on a objective, comprehensive investigation. I expressed to the President, who was the Senator before he became President, Mr. Remulla, that of course the safety of my colleagues is very important, but yung integrity nila yung Senator. The building is more than a building. In fact, it's not even a building, it's just but it represents the democracy of our country. So I'd like to thank you, kayo din sa media, no? I know you're also confused, but you decided to stay. So in the next few days lang, sure lang na hindi tayo ma-infiltrate until we get to the bottom of this. No? So the OSAA and the PNP under the direction of myself and Secretary Mulya is now going floor by floor, and we'll do the same sa kabilang building. We won't say any more operational details, but we will try to make sure na safe. I'll be here tomorrow. That's if I go home tonight. No? I'll be here. We'll brief you further. No? We'll stop there. Pasensya lang po kayo. We'll stop muna sa details. Mahirap po na iba-ibang magpa-interview. So I'm directing the staff not to tell a lie, not to tell the whole truth, and to make sure that we cooperate with the PNP investigation.
Who are the shooters and how many, sir? How many shooters, sir? How many?
We still have to determine kung CCTV so we cannot answer that with any
Paano po nakapasok? Paano po nakapasok?
Sir, usa ayaw mo na nagpapatok warning shot.
warning shot, saan yung warning shot, and then Mary 3, we started firing from the air. That as far as we know. That is not conclusive. We still have to review the footages.
We'll stop at the word suspect kasi pag nilabel namin yun, meron ng conclusion na rin ng But initially, we told Secretary Mulya kung sino ang suspect. Sinasabi nila.
Perceived NBI daw? Perceived NBI, sir?
We'll not confirm. No questions, sir. No, it's okay questions, but forgive us because we don't want to say something na hindi mabawi. If government did this to government, we are in trouble. And I want, there's a presumption sa humanity na hindi ito gagawin ng kahit anong agency sa atin. Having said that, from the President down to the Secretaries, ilan na rin silang tumawag, assures us that magiging independent at no holds barred investigation.
Perceived NBI po ba yung nakapasok? Perceived NBI ba, sir?
Please do not ask questions that are immediate.
Pero sabi po kasi ni Secretary Mendoza, sir,
Do
SecDo.
not ask questions that are
How about
immediate.
Sen Bato?
Please do not ask
Senator
questions.
Bato de la Rosa, how is he, sir?
Senator De La Rosa has been informed that we are doing a sweep of the building. He has informed us that he wants to rest in his chambers. He is safe. He is in security personnel. He has been informed of our activities. We have assured him that there is no. I am here to ensure the integrity of the Senate and to protect the protection of all the senators. Okay, please.
What's the, walang motive pa, sir, kay
We
Rikita?
cannot ask questions of any detail because we cannot answer that.
Even kung paano po nakapasok, sir?
Either we have to review the system.
Sir, wala rin nag-pursue, sir. Wala nag-umabol.
Protection ng number one sa
One reason we cannot tell you, ongoing pa. Ongoing pa. Building. It's ongoing and we don't want to also, what you call this, telegraph dun sa investigation. We're all doing what we can. And OSA is there, the PNP, the Chief PNP, binigyan ng specific instructions.
But the Senate is safe. Senate is safe, sir?
the floors. We are sweeping all the floors. We have asked those non-essential personnel to investigate each and every person that are not essential.
Pass?
So far, yes. I'll decide mamaya. But so far, kasi nga dumating articles of impeachment at may meeting na coordination ang lahat ng heads. Having said that, may I also appeal to you or anyone in the Senate, kung may videos kayo na you think will help the investigation, submit it to us. Kasi maraming allegation, maraming denial.
We have FB Live, sir. We have FB Live.
Meron kayong videos, please submit
Sen, how about the articles that
We will not secure, nakaalis na rin yung mga taga-house. I just assure you, kung ano na sa rules namin, may precedence dito. It's the first time, maraming speculation, pero meron po yan. But I will be interpreted to be talking politics, especially the commission secretary. So I just assure you, batas o precedence, susundin natin.
SP, is the Senate safe? Is the Senate safe as of now?
We're making sure that is now, but I can tell you, especially for me, that I feel na cargo ko yung lahat ng empleyado at lahat ng mga senador, lalo po yung walang kamalay-malay dito. Because, you know, I don't know. First, you know, if you get a call from me at this point in time, you wouldn't know that's an emergency. That's why I have to do it for the
So, cutting
sabi ko sila na, I mean, secure.
secure. All senators. How many senators are inside, sir? Present?
I don't think anyone from the minority. Parang wala na. Unless nasa opisina.
You are all here right now, yung 12? Nasa loob ba?
Senator Bato, sir. Senator Bato.
How about Sen Robin?
Yes, also here. Pagod yung dalawa kasi. We've been here the last
Magsisiuwian pa ba kayo, sir?
It is my duty to ensure the safety of all the senators. Whether it is safe to go home or not, I will make that.
Thank you, sir.
Mula sa Quezon City, ako si Ariel Torres, nag-uulat para sa Margot TV Broadcasting Network.